Hello, welcome. I invite you to join me for the next 10 minutes for us to raise our energy together through moving our bodies and calm our minds through slowing our breath down. And here I am on a rock in the Wudang Mountains, the sacred land of Taoism, and I hope this beautiful nature can inspire you to find the beauty and the power in your nature. So if you'd like to join me, welcome. And yeah, let's begin by doing some arm swings. And if you're here on the 10-day challenge, beautiful to have you here again for us to share our practices. And if you'd like to join for the full thing, if you're new, there's a playlist in the description. Also share an idea at the end of how you can apply this practice to your day today. All right, coming to your breath, breathing in and out through your nose, if that's available to you today, and softening your face. Imagining there's something in a high drawer that you're grabbing, and then bringing the whole body, waking up the side body as well. Softening your face, slowing your breath down. And hip circles. Changing direction, getting into all the nooks and crannies. I love a good hip circle. And let's take a moment of stillness in standing meditation. Imagining there's a piece of string attached to the heavens, lifting your spine up. Your spine is long, and yet you are relaxed. Soft bend in the knees, shoulders relaxed. Taking a breath here. And two hands hold up the heavens, interlacing the fingers, breathing in and breathing out. Opening up. Breathing in, raising up, and breathing out. Today's idea is around everything being an end in itself. Like, how often in your life do you make things means to an end? Like, I'm doing this because I want something out of it. The great bear swings side to side. Bit dodgy on this rock. Hopefully you're in a safer place than me. So we swing side by side, hands on the top of the thighs, we lean and then draw a big semicircle. So yeah, our whole society is set up as everything being a means to an end. You know, like, we work not because we enjoy it, but because we need money, and we're destroying the planet because we promise that progress and technology will save us in the future, so the destruction is worth it now. You know, everything is a means to an end. And in our own lives, this can create a lot of unease because we live in the future perpetually. And if we feel that the future is going to be better, then the implication is that where we are right now isn't enough. Shaking out, shaking out. And you know, sometimes it's important that we do things in the future, but I'm a very future-orientated person, and I notice that, yeah, I stress myself out because I don't just take the time to enjoy being here and now. So, can we make everything in our practice right here, right now, an end in itself? Not to expect anything, and just to move together and breathe together for its own sake. And then we practice that as a possibility for our nervous system to begin to take our lives as something that we can enjoy in the moment, in the present moment, as opposed to always be seeking some future gain. So I want to share a beautiful move, the white crane spreading its wings. And I thought this would be a fun one to do on this rock. So, your arms are your wings. And the wings go halfway up. We lift the leg, and we lower the whole body, And then lifting the leg, and then the wings touch, and then we're back. Your wings go halfway up, lowering the whole body, raising up, and lowering. So as you begin to get the flow, begin to imagine that you are a bird, maybe being more balanced than I am. And enjoying the ride. Coming to your breath. Let's move with the breath now. Breathing in, breathing out. 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 Softening the face, moving gracefully wherever you are today with your headspace, your fitness, your stiffness. Can you celebrate where you are? For you to move as an end in itself. Nowhere to go, nothing to gain. Just play. What freedom there is to be found there. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Bird 2. This time our wings come up in front of us. Then we stand on one foot and we fold over, kind of like warrior 3 in yoga. Breathing in, we raise up. And now the other side, standing on one foot and a hinge. Breathing in and breathing out, fold. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. And coming back to Qigong standing, taking a breath. Slowing the breath down. Softening your face. Watching the air come in and out through your nostrils. I know there's stuff that you want to do today. Can you navigate your responsibilities, your challenges, your joys from the present moment as much as possible, with everything being an end in itself, not a means to an end? To find peace, often we don't need to change the what we are doing, but instead the how we are doing it. And so here and now, as breathing together, can you watch your breath just because you want to enjoy watching the movement of the air come in and out. And let's take a few breaths together, breathing in and breathing out, letting any tension go. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Bringing some movement to the body, maybe some shoulder rolls, gently opening your eyes in your own time. And there is our practice for today, my friend. Remembering this idea of everything being an end in itself. What are you doing as a means to an end? Can you change how you relate to that thing, or maybe in the longer term, change that thing? I hope your practice serves you. If you want to join me tomorrow, there's a playlist where you can join me for the next 10 days, where we share our practices every morning. Please do share with friends and family if you enjoyed, and breathe and flow well, my friend. I'll see you tomorrow.